Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about this current Bitcoin crash. Is it actually real? Is it a fake out? How low we're going to go down to? We're going to talk about altcoins, Altseason. We're going to also talk about the reasons why we are having this crash. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button. We post one video about crypto every single day. Straight away, guys, I want to show you what's happening right now. News of the day. US clear to sell 6.5 billions in Bitcoin will crash the Bitcoin price. So apparently right now the US government holds 18 billions worth of Bitcoin, which are going to be sold entirely ahead of Donald Trump presidency. Pretty much they are saying that Bitcoin right now is going down because the Department of Justice is selling all of that, and because of that right now we're going down, and we're going to go down now to 70K. I see some people say we're going to go down to 60K. All the right. Stop right here, guys. I'm telling you right now that all of this, like the Mount Gox, the German government, the other rubbish, it's all fake. It's all fake because all of these news are entirely created to make you scared. Market makers and institutions sell the Bitcoin to, of course, they go shorter, they want to make money, they grab liquidity. That's about it. They already have a script. They are the one controlling the markets, and it's not the Department of Justice selling the Bitcoin. Remember all of that. All of this is FUD news created to make you scared and to make you sell. So if you want to start to be serious about trading crypto, getting in and out, buy and sell, and to be successful in this game, you need to follow the technicals. And also, what you can do, you can join our VIP group, guys. At the moment, we are going having this crazy pullback, crazy crashes, and our VIP members are making money. You can see the results from here. This is some calls from my pro members, Jeremy and Shelket. Look at these results, guys. In this market, which is crazy difficult, is crazy hard, my members are placing trading calls and they're making money. So to show you the quality of our VIP group. So if you haven't done so, guys, come and join us. Link in the description. Little trailer over here, trading results, best community in the world. If you are a trader, if you are an investor. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Alrighty, so situation is the following. The reason why Bitcoin is going down right now is not because of the US government, is not because of anything else. It's because people are now rebalancing their portfolio. The DXY or dollar currency index that measure the strength of the US dollar is going higher because of some fear that inflation is reaccelerating because of unemployment rate and blah, blah, blah. This one is going higher. You can see this one here. This one has a negative correlation with Bitcoin. Whenever this one goes higher, you can see up, 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 up. Bitcoin goes down, as well as the stock market, and because of this as well. Fixed income. Fixed income is going higher as well. Is losing now a little bit of steam, and I can tell you that already. If by tonight you're going to see something like that, that's actually going to be a very good sign. We're going to see a powerful bounce from BTC coming soon. So one of the reasons why Bitcoin is going down at the moment, and this, I don't know, crash correction, how you want to call it, might not be over, is because of tonight unemployment rate. Tonight we're going to have unemployment rate. I'm telling this straight away. If unemployment rate is going to come higher than expectation, this is actually good because the Fed is going to cut interest rates. More money to the system, more liquidity means Bitcoin is going to go higher. If unemployment rate is going to come lower than expectation, it means the economy is strong and Bitcoin should be going down. But again, guys, all of this is rubbish. Unemployment rate it's rising. It's not good. The economy, the situation in America is not good. You can see everything here. Those are smart people like Alex Frey saying that the U.S. employment metrics continue to deteriorate. It's all fake. Whatever they're going to tell you tonight, oh yeah, employment is rising. Yeah, probably like a full-time job where you're, working 10 hours a week. The reality is that the economy is weakening. The Fed had to cut interest rates. Inflation is going to fall like a rock. This one, first of all. Second of all, next week we're going to have CPI. CPI, guys, ex-shelter, ex-housing shelter, everything excluding houses and all of that. It's 1.6%. These people are still talking about inflation. They had to be careful with interest rates and blah, blah, blah. All rubbish. The reality is that inflation is going down and is going to come down like a rock. So what we have to have a look at now is going to be DXY to probably find a top before rolling over as I'm expecting, and also these 10 years as well to go down as well. When this happens, guys, then we're going to be able to resume the bull market. But right now, there is a lot of pressure coming from here. So looking at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is pretty much into the situation from here. That's what I can see right now. I can see from a macro point of view that we are basically retesting this area over here. If we're gonna go and break down this area, probably we could be doing something like that. That could be a possibility. I'm gonna show you now more like short term, but at the moment, from a macro point of view, lots of people are saying, "Oh, it's the end. This is the top of the bull markets because there is a bearish divergence on the RSI." Well, if you want to calculate the bearish divergence from the RSI, and then you take into account this point over here to this point over here, then what you have to have is to have a divergence from this point here to this point over here, which we don't have. We don't have a divergence over here. If you had a true divergence, right, should be coming from up to this area over here, which we don't have. So again, maybe it could be a divergence from this point to this point here, which is like this. But right now, we haven't had a proper bullish divergence. So calling the top right now, it's I'm not going to say it's foolish because maybe it could be right, but at the same time, how is it possible to determine the top right now? You can't really tell that. But at the same time, let's have a look more short term what could be happening right now. So situation is the following. I'm going to go here. Lots of people calling for head and shoulders, biceps and triceps. I don't know how you want to call it. Everybody now say 100% is going to be a head and shoulder. We're going to go down. Well, that could be a possibility. We could maybe go see to go down from here, maybe down to, as I said before, $87,000 to $88,000. This head and shoulder could play out. We could be seeing maybe something like that, and then finally, announce a rebound. As I said before, yesterday we could probably be even into a range from this area to this area, going up from this area over here, and then explode again to the upside. The possibilities, right, are multiple. But what are you going to do? What are you doing about it? What I'm doing, as I explained to you before all the time, I am 90% in cash with my Bitcoin holdings. And if you're going to go down to this area over here, to this area here, I'm probably going to deploy some cash into altcoins, not into Bitcoin. We're going to go down even more. I'm going to probably buy more. But right now, I'm not even interested, right? At $93,000, I'm not even interested to buy more altcoins, to be honest, because I already have a big bag and I'm just pretty much, I have my spot bag waiting for this one, this manipulation to finish, to end up. And then I'm probably going to buy more. But at the same time, we can see that what's happening right now more intraday, just to give you an idea. Tonight is going to be very important. Unemployment rate. Let's see what they're gonna do. They're gonna, give us their fake reports. Right now, you can see that from here, what I could be see could be maybe like a little bit of a rebound, and then what happen, depending what happened tonight with the unemployment rate. They probably could try to do something like that if it comes unemployment higher than expectation, or if it comes lower, then they're probably gonna try one more time, down to here, pushing down the price to. I'm gonna show you where. We can go from here, draw a channel from this area probably to this area. So it could be a dump, that maybe this down to here, like a ABC, down to like 85, 87, something like that, and then big push up to like $99,000. So that's what I probably could see from tonight if unemployment rate comes lower than expectation. If it comes higher, of course, boom to the upside. So again, very relaxed, guys. Bitcoin is at $93,000. It's not at 50,000, 40,000. So, and also remember, this is crypto. It's very highly volatile assets, especially the altcoins, which I always call them shit coins. Now, let's have a look as well the altcoin situation. So you're gonna also, probably calm yourself down a little bit. I see lots of people, panicking right now about altcoin season. It's over? No more altcoin season. So nothing has changed, to be honest. We are over here. The Bitcoin dominance is still up to this area. We are still trying to climb back up again with the Bitcoin dominance. It means investors are putting more money into BTC. And nothing has changed. The structure was broken on the, when was that? On the 28th of November. Now it's trying desperately to try to climb back up again, and basically this is happening. So I can't see any sort of like worry at the moment for altcoins. We can also have a look what happened in the past in 2020 and 21. What happened during those days when look at this, the crazy altcoin season for 2000 and when was that? This one 2021. So yeah, similar, like we were here, we went down to this way, we broke this structure. I'm going to show you a little bit better on the weekly so you can see better from here as well. So we were down to here, we broke the structure from here, like the structure. I'm going to go with the trend line with the structure around this area over here. We broke the structure, tried to climb back up again, and then boom, everything just rolled over. So looks like the same thing is happening right now. We could be going like from here. We have this one over here. They try to go and climb back up again, and then boom, it's gonna roll over again. So that's what I can see right now. Let's also have a look at, for example, total free market cap as well. I don't know, like we have, as I said before, a potential bull flag coming to this area. Bull flag is showing that we broke out from here. Is retested right now this area. Is gonna go up here, or is gonna go and maybe go down one more time and then explode to the upside. I don't know, and I don't care. Again, for me, altcoins are not in the right place to buy. I'm probably gonna start to buy if you're gonna go, maybe Bitcoin goes to 88, 86K, and I wanna see total free probably down to here. So if it's gonna go down to here, that's where I'm gonna buy the dip, but not now. Like I really don't care. So we're gonna go down to here. Great. Then I have another impulse to the upside, and then I'm happy. But also something that you gotta notice as well about altcoins is the fact that here, look what's happening right now. So we had a big impulse to the upside. So we had this one, this one, this one. Now it's forming probably like another bull flag. But as you can see from here, we had lots of push to the upside here, like a lots of volume rising. And now that we are having a correction, the volume is going down, which means that in general, whenever you have a downtrend with a lower volume, indicates that there is not so much selling volume compared to we had this push. So all of this indicates a continuation to the upside. Whether it's down to the $800 billion market cap, we don't really care, because at the end of the day, if you look at any measure, like from here to here, brings you to roughly like 1 point. You can go from here to here, bring you here 1.7 trillion. So again, sometimes it can be just a game of patience. We can also see like others as well. Others, we are here, so we can go and maybe just pull like on a regular chart. But again, like we went up to here, we broke this level, we're trying now to climb back down, everybody's getting scared, and then I'm probably thinking maybe with a consolidation from here, and then boom, another impulse to the upside. So again, to me, the whole situation looks completely manipulated. I might be completely wrong, who knows? But even like right now, the Bitcoin market is a fear neutral, in fear and greed, which means that if they want to, maybe tonight they will probably try to scare everybody and just flash one more time. That would be super cool, for especially because if you have a look at this, right, I'll show you. Even having a look at the daily chart, you can go over here. I'm gonna go and take my EMA. We broke this important structure, right? We close below this line over here. So it will be actually, I would say, a very funny game for the market makers to try to basically bring people up to here, make them believe we're gonna go now to a new whatever, like a rebound, a new all-time high, and then the unemployment rate comes, and then boom, another push down to here, 87, 88K, and then finally they're gonna push it up. So let's see how they're going to play. Again, very excited. Not really care about right now buying any dip. So that's it for today, guys. I think I really hope this gave you a little bit more of a reassurance, and also it gave you an understanding that all of this that you're seeing right now about this FUD news, about this one, about it's all rubbish as well. The economy, all of that. It's all like a little game for market makers. YouTube can ban me if that. I don't care. It's all like a game for market makers to manipulate the market and then pump it and dump it the way they want. Crypto is a very volatile asset. Be very careful when it comes to invest or trading crypto. And if you want more guidance, guys, the VIP group is the place to go. Anyway, I really wish you an incredible day. Let's see how we go tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to talk again and see what is going to be the results from all of this. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.